Hi guys! It is bitter cold outside, so I thought I'd make you a hot pot of lentil soup. It is so tasty, nutritious, and easy on your wallet, especially after all that holiday spending. There's protein from the beans, plenty of vegetables. All you need is a side of crusty bread or rice. All the ingredients and measurements are in the description section right below the video. I'm using yellow onion diced, celery stalks and leaves if you have it, carrots cut up, lots of chopped garlic, tomato paste. At the end, I like to add some fresh spinach leaves. You can get the regular spinach or the baby spinach leaves like this. Dried bay leaves and ground cumin. I like to freshly grind them in my coffee grinder. It takes just a few seconds and it's going to be much fresher than the bottled ground cumin. If you smell this and then smell the bottled ground cumin, you'll instantly notice the difference. We'll need 2 cups of lentils. These are brown lentils. It's best to use brown or green lentils because they hold their shape when cooking and don't disintegrate. Whichever lentils you use, make sure you rinse them first. Just remember to adjust the cooking time depending on the lentils you're using. These lentils take about 45 minutes to cook. I'm going to rinse these, then we can make the soup. Heat up a pot to cook the soup. I'm using this enameled cast iron pot. Whatever I'm using in the video, I'll put links to in the description section below, in case you're interested in getting it. Olive oil. Add the onion. Celery. Carrots. A little salt. Ground black pepper. Cook that for about 3 minutes. Add the garlic. Cook this for a few more minutes until the vegetables are soft. 5 to 7 minutes. Now add the ground cumin. Just cook that for about a minute so the cumin loses its raw flavor. Add the tomato paste. Let that cook for a minute. You want to lose the raw flavor of the cumin and the tomato paste. Bay leaves. Add the lentils. And lots of water. Salt. Ground black pepper. Bring this to a boil. It takes about 7 minutes to come to a boil. After the 7 minutes, you should take the cover off the pot so you don't forget to check and it doesn't boil over. Now it's come to a full boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and simmer for about 40 minutes until the lentils are cooked. Again, the time depends on the type of lentils you're using. Stir occasionally. After 40 minutes, taste and adjust for salt and pepper. The spinach is optional, but if you have it, you can add it. You can see how quickly the spinach is wilting. As soon as the spinach is wilted, you can turn the heat off. This is baby spinach, so it cooks very quickly. If you're using regular spinach, you can actually cook it for a minute or 2 if it needs it. I'm going to give it a taste. I like to add a little bit of vinegar at the end. Apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar. Don't forget to remove the bay leaf before serving. I don't make a lot of soups, but in the winter, this soup is an absolute must. I devoured this bowl of soup. I had so much left in that big pot, so I gave some to my neighbors. They absolutely loved it. I hope you give it a try and tell me what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.